Hi Trons, the Rugby Opinioneers Nation. Ryan here with my recap of the Chiefs versus Hurricanes game. And my goodness, guys, this was an exceptional game. So, where do I start? My prediction was not far out, but also very wrong, as the Hurricanes won 20-17. I mean, what a wicked game it was. Like, even though there were low tries being scored and stuff. And yeah, so how do I recap this game? I mean, only 4 tries were scored. For the Canes it was Geordie Barrett and Xavier Numia. And for the Chiefs it was Wallace Titi and Amoni Naroa. And I mean, what a game. Guys, my opinion on this one, I don't think any of the other games can live up to what that was. Honestly, and it was good to see the Hurricanes win. Sorry guys, I apologise for my voice. It was a phenomenal game. Now, to be honest, my first point is the red card to Raymond Tupu. I mean, that was really harsh, and I just don't think he deserved it. Why? Because you could clearly see the Chiefs player had come up. And no matter the consequence for Tupu, I do not support it, as the Chiefs player should have been called out for it not him. Guys, my second point was the Hurricanes just dominated the first half and didn't let the Chiefs until the second. I mean, they were phenomenal on offense and defense in the first half. I just do not or cannot describe how good they were. It was just exceptional. And my final point, how good were the Hurricanes overall? Yes, it came down to a penalty to seal it. It was 17-0 heading into the final moments before it was decided by a Brett Cameron penalty. Do I think games should be decided by penalties? Nah. It should be decided by tries. Here's why. It's because it's more entertaining, and yeah, it's just boring when it's decided by penalties. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. Penalties at the end of the game are a big no-no because it just takes the excitement out of the game. So cheers everyone. Thank you for watching. Oh, and a big thank you for 210 subscribers. We are almost there. Cheers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.